Hi everyone, it's Deborah and it's Craft Fair Friday. Today we're going to focus on selling custom traveler notebooks. Apologize, let me fix my camera. Oh my goodness, what a mess there. So, selling custom traveler notebooks and the components. So I really wanted to focus on selling individual components for travelers and notebooks. That would include the folder cover. So I have a traveler's notebook right here that I made many years ago. Okay, it's missing a little notebook, but that's okay. So the focus would be on selling the cover, selling the individual notebooks, selling the little folders, maybe dangles and charms. I don't have any dangles or charms here, but yes, let me show you some of the items that you could make in order to customize your traveler's notebook. Instead of you making the traveler's notebook, have your customer make their own custom traveler's notebook. So let me show you some of the components. Here's my little traveler's notebook, bee themed. This is some very old paper that I had. And then you've got this little folder. And then, usually I would have 3 notebooks in here, but I'm missing a notebook for some reason. So let me show you some of the components. This is a cute little folder that could go in there. And you could package these like 3 to a package and just put them in a sleeve, kind of like this. Okay, this is one of those little composition notebooks, but you would just put 3 to a packet in one of these that the paper coordinates together. Okay, so that's an option. Number 1 is to do this, to make 3 little folders, package them together. You could even do 2 if you just wanted to do 2, but it's up to you what you would do. Okay. Here are options for folder covers. Traveler notebook covers. Let me get my words correct. You want to make sure that you include the elastic in these, and then, this would be the first step for your customer to pick their cover, and then they would go and pick their little folders, and then they would pick their little notebooks. Okay. So let me show you some options. I make sure and use double-sided paper to create these. Okay. Here's one. More of a fall or a masculine themed. Here's that bee themed from my personal traveler's notebook. And then here's a donut theme with the ice cream on the other side. Okay, you do need a laminator. I did laminate these. Okay. I will post a link to a tutorial from Amber from Lyric Lover Crafts. This is how I made these, how I learned how to make these. I'm not going to do a tutorial. It's already out there. Okay, so you've got your customer's going to pick their cover first. Then they'll start picking their little notebooks. So I have some options here. Let's say you wanted to go with, this is the Echo Park paper. It's so cute. And let's say that you were going to do a little farm theme one. Give your customers the option to do a farm theme one. You would, do the cover your little notebooks with a farm theme. And let me show you these little notebooks. These are the notebooks I buy from Dollar General. They're 3 for $1. Walmart has some. I don't know the price on those. I don't use those. I usually just go to Dollar General and buy these. Okay. But anyway, that was an option. So your customer is going to pick their cover first, and then they're going to pick 3 of the little notebooks. Okay, so give them options. These are options. This is, farm themed. Here's a real girly themed, very feminine, focusing on makeup and clothing and stuff like that. Someone would love to have something like that. Just give them lots of options and package them really cute. Here is some that I made for Valentine's Day. You could do them for all the holidays for sure, okay, or all the seasons. Here's some for Christmas. Could go definitely a gingerbread theme. More gingerbread. Lots of gingerbread. Okay, those are options. I have a ton of these made, so if you use the same type of paper, you should be able to, like if you used a paper pad, that will help you so much to make sure that everything is coordinating for, say, fall related composition, these little mini composition notebooks for your traveler notebooks. So there's a bunch of fall ones that I made from the same paper pad for sure. Okay. Here's some other options that I thought that would be cute. You could make coordinating stickers if you have a Cricut machine, or you could actually buy them from like Temu or something and package them up like this. I make my own, but let's talk about pricing for this stuff. I'm going to leave examples of everything you would sell. Okay, so let's say you had dangles as well. I don't know how much dangles cost or anything like that because I don't make them yet. I am going to learn. I'll show you what I purchased in order to try to learn, but that'll be in a few minutes. So let's say you charge $3 for a cover, $3 for your notebooks. So you've got, they're going to pick 3 of them, hopefully. And then you're going to make a packet of 3 of these folders or 2 or whatever. And let's say you charge $3 for that and $3 for the stickers. So you're looking at 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, $18. And if you included a dangle, or a dangle was an option, I'm not sure, you could probably do a little traveler's notebook, customized traveler's notebook for less than $25. But if you were just going to do these components, $18 right there. So the stickers, you could put like 10 stickers in it to make it worthwhile, or maybe more, okay, depending on what your focus is. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I would definitely make some dangles because I know people love to have dangles. And I want to show you some of the beads I bought on Etsy. I haven't made anything yet because I have to learn. But you could definitely make some dangles to go with it as well. These are just some beads that I could, and you could also make those beaded pins to go with it. Anything that pertains to that junk journal that people would need for it, a pin would be an option. Maybe you have some mini pins and that you could decorate and you could sell that with it. But you just want to, encourage your customer to customize their own traveler's notebook, and they would love it. I think it would be a fun thing to have at, like a pop-up shop or a booth in a craft fair or a farmer's market for people to come on over to your table or your booth and make it very interactive where, hey, pick your cover, pick your little mini notebooks, pick your stickers, choose your custom stickers, choose your pin, choose your dangle, and just make it fun and exciting. And I bet people would just have a blast doing that. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am including a link to Amber's video. She covers everything made in this video. She covers everything on how to make everything. And it's such an informative video. It's an older video, but I think I've always thought of this idea of being a great thing for craft fairs. And, you know, you may be able to charge more, but in my market, I think I wouldn't charge any more than $3 per component, except for maybe the dangles. I'm not, and the pins, you know, depending on how much work you put into it. Okay. But I think offering this interactive option of buying and creating and customizing your own traveler's notebook is an awesome idea for your craft fair. Even an Etsy shop, you could create an Etsy listing with this on, pick this option, pick your cover, pick your folders, pick your little notebooks, pick your stickers, and just have a set price for that whole thing on an Etsy shop. So let me know if you have any questions, any comments, any feedback, what you would like to see in future videos. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, and please consider subscribing. Have a great day. Bye.